control your thoughts? Do you know that if you're not controlling your thoughts, these thoughts will land up in intriguing thoughts? And once it lands up in intriguing thoughts, it will lead to depression. So today, I'm going to talk on how you can control your thoughts. And if you are there in my video till the end, you will be able to know how you can deal with your thoughts. I am Hemendra Singh, inner transformation coach, who is going to help you out come out of this loop of unwanted thought. Let me tell you through an example. Few days back, I was just sitting in a room and hearing news. When I have heard news, I found that the cases of corona is going up. When it has started going up, which I have just heard, the first thought came into my mind that what if this happens with me? What if this happens with my family members? What if I get this particular disease from my mates who comes in my home? And then you know what happened? I was completely engaged in thoughts and I started believing what I was thinking. And guys, here we make big mistake. We start believing in what we think. Now, how we can challenge our thoughts? We can challenge our thoughts only when we create a space between our thought and our response. And to help you understand, I would just like to read this particular quote which has been explained and given by Mr. Viktor Frankl. He says that between stimulus and response, there is a space. What is this stimulus? Stimulus is nothing but circumstances which is happening. And we are responding to that circumstance. How we are responding? Before responding, there is a thought which comes in our mind, which leads us to respond. But we forget, because it is so spontaneous that we forget that there is something space between the stimulus and response. And how we can create that space? We can create that space by looking at our thoughts, by observing our thoughts. Once we observe our thoughts, then we will be able to create that. In that space is our power to choose our response. That is what he says. In our response lies our growth and our freedom. So it sums up and gives us an understanding that if we start creating that space between our stimulus and our response, then we will be able to win over our response. Now, as I said that I'm going to help you out in terms of how you can control your thoughts, but rather than controlling your thoughts, if you create that space in your thought, then you will be able to win over this thought. Start observing your thoughts. So if this thought has come in my mind, for an example which I've just now shared, and if I ask this question to myself that have I got corona? No. Is there any relevance of it is increasing everywhere, I will also get it? No. Is there any guarantee that a maid who is coming to me is suffering from corona? When I'm asking such questions again and again and again, it is challenging my thoughts, which will help me to create that space. Mostly, what happens, whatever comes in our mind, we think that that is the truth. There is a problem. The first step which we have to learn is start challenging your thoughts, give a space, ask questions to yourself. What is the relevance of this thought? A truth which I am telling to myself. You will be able to come out. And the second point which I wanted to share is don't feed your mind. Don't feed your thoughts. You know what happens? When I'm hearing this particular news which I have just now shared about corona, majorly what people will do, they'll start giving a call to family members, they'll try to give a call to their neighbors and try to share things and which increases your problem. Secondly, what we do, the biggest appliance or gadget which is there in our hand is nothing but mobile phone. So we just open it, Google, and try to see. Now, Googling is something which is the biggest cause of stress and depression because there you go and search something which is very generalized, and you start thinking that is the truth, and you start believing. So my dear friends, from now on, let's focus on these two things. Whenever any thought comes, challenge it by asking question: what is the relevance of the thought? What is the truth behind this thought? Second thing is that don't feed your mind, don't feed your thought by unnecessary googling it, unnecessary doing, giving a call to someone, discussing about what is going on in your mind. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel, Mastering Minds Hub, and like it and share this video.